Is your Toyota Camry key fob from 2012 to 2017 models not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. Look closely at your key fob. You'll notice buttons for lock, unlock, trunk, and alarm with a seam along the edge. First, confirm you have a CR2032 battery readily available. This 3-volt lithium coin cell is 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick. Using a small, flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, preferred to avoid scratches, gently insert it into the seam near the key ring attachment. Apply slight pressure and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it, especially on pre-2017 models, as the plastic can be brittle. If you encounter resistance, try using a hairdryer on low heat to warm the plastic slightly, making it more pliable. This method prevents cracking in most cases, as highlighted by the Auto Repair Guy YouTube tutorial. Remember, patience is key to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Use a small non-metallic tool to carefully pry the old battery out. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction. Next, align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently snap them back together. Ensure the seam is flush all around. Finally, test the key fob's functionality by attempting to lock and unlock your car doors remotely. If it works, you're all set. If not, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and fully charged. In rare cases, if the remote still doesn't function, you might need to reprogram it by cycling the ignition key. However, battery replacement typically resolves the issue. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly at a local recycling center.